Also, we will introduce you horizontal grinding mill. Let's go and have a look. You can see here, this is pin type which we designed for the nanoparticle size. And in my hand now, it is round tape. And in the machine, it is square tape. We will be designing different tapes based on the different viscosity products. Our rotor will be made in hardened Orleans steel, and also it will be kept in two parts, easy for maintenance. One part is here, another part is here. It's very good for the worker with maintenance. And also the pack. Each pack will having the screw to disassemble, so each pack will be individual part. This is our cooling pipe connection system. We will be connect all the pipes, cooling pipes from here, and the air pipes from here go directly to our chamber. So our cooling chamber here will be having the cooling inlet and outlet. And also inside, we will be having cooling channel for getting cooling water running. Okay, thank you. That's all. If you're interested about us, please follow Paint and Chemical Machine.